So hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video of mine. So before we start this video, we need to start our day with a cup of coffee. And if you're not a coffee lover, then I definitely know you're a chai lover. So do have that, or do start your day with that, because that is the most refreshing part of the day. So here in this video, here I am a coffee lover, coffee fan, like to try out different type of coffees. And here today we have Rage Coffee, guys, a new brand which has been launched in the market. And I've ordered the Irish hazelnut flavor, which I wanted to try for a very long time, and plus I was recommended it by Randall itself. If you not have seen the previous video, Randall is my fitness trainer and you can just go check it out. 4 weeks back I ordered this. I got it. I will do a small unboxing. I had already done it, but I'm not involved in any videos because I wanted to do this separately. So I will put an unboxing video of this, with how it comes, how is their packaging. Their packaging is 10 on 10, I would say. So talking about this coffee, guys, there are different flavors and different quantities available. There is 50 grams and 100 grams. So if you want to taste it or test it out, I would definitely recommend you to go for the 50 gram one, because 100 grams, as you can see, it's a big bottle, and 50 grams is actually will be a smaller, it will be half the size of this. So it will be better for you if you are tasting it for the first time. If you don't like it, you'll have to simply throw it out. So yes guys, 50 grams should be good enough. Has coming to the flavors, I want to try dark chocolate and the caramel flavor which is there. And guys, if you all have tasted any other flavor from Rage, do mention in the comments below. I will definitely go and taste it out, because I want to get another bottle. As you can see, it's already getting over. Coming to this coffee, two key ingredients in this coffee. The first one is L-theanine, guys. So L-theanine is an amino acid which is found in green tea and black tea, and also some few mushrooms. I do not know their names, I cannot be very specific as well. So the key purpose of L-theanine is that it reduces stress and lowers your anxiety levels. So guys, I was very surprised to see this on the ingredients list of Rage Coffee. Rage, impressive work guys. The second one is L-glutamine, guys. So this is also an important amino acid in the body. It's the block building of protein, and also it helps in improving your immune system. These two amino acids in the ingredients of Rage Coffee, very impressive guys. I would seriously recommend you all to get this, because having amino acids, having a flavor which is so premium and in a reasonable price, it's worth having this kind of coffee guys. Very good. I'm still trying to figure out how to have this coffee. Guys, don't get me wrong, I know how to make coffee. It's just that it says 1 teaspoon with 150 ml of hot or cold milk. And if you're a black coffee lover, then you know it's hot water at the end of the day. The scene is that when I was having Nescafe Classic, I used to use 1 tablespoon, not a teaspoon, because that coffee was very light and it did not hit me like, because I normally have coffee as a pre-workout, so it is not hit me so much. But when I used to have 1 tablespoon, it is hit me. But this is very light on a teaspoon. But the first time when I tried this, I had taken a tablespoon and it hit me so hard that I was awake the whole day, like focused. I couldn't get sleep. So after that day, I had to reduce the level. So I started using 1 teaspoon. So it's clearly written also over here. So guys, please use this serving size method. And also I liked it better with sugar. The without sugar is okay, like, but I really did not like it that much. But yes, with sugar it did taste well. So I'll drop a link in the description below to their page. Guys, do go check it out. And also on their checkout you get a free mug, which is very cool, and also a cool sticker you will get in the box, and I will show that in the unboxing definitely. So yeah, that's about it on the coffee. Let's get back to work now. So today we are shooting a small commercial for a supermarket. I'm going to take you all there, explain to you where exactly it is, And today's short commercial is going to be shot by Nico himself, because he has not been shooting in a while because he was busy with producing music. My biggest mistake is that I have not introduced my team, my friends who always be in the vlogs. So I am going to do that one day. I don't know when. So I always keep promising that I will do it, and with the moments and when we enjoy the moments when we are shooting, so it completely slipped out of my mind. But I am going to do it. So let me tell you briefly about CJ. Is that he also is a rapper, produces, also producer, I would say. So he's busy in that work because he's about to release his album and also his merch. So guys, once he starts off his YouTube channel, I am definitely going to promote him, and I want to tell you all to go and look up and support him, as he's part of the Goa rappers community. So yeah, that's about it. So he's busy over there most of the time, doesn't have time to come and shoot. But now I've told him, please have time management, because I really need him. His shooting skills and his creativity thoughts are some next level. But when it comes to execution, it's me. So yeah, he's coming today, and I also got another surprise to show y'all. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just waiting for CJ to come over, and then I'll show you what the surprise is. So guys, do stay tuned. So guys, finally we have CJ Nico.
Hi guys.
Why you late, man, always? Okay, so guys, right now we are going to show you the surprise what I was talking about. So from now, CJ will be rolling the camera. I will show you all what I need to. So this was my old bag. I don't even know which company this is. It's some cheap quality bag with a soft foam, which I used to use with my first crop DSLR, I would say. So right now I switched to mirrorless, and it's been like almost 1 year, and I still use this bag. So on a previous trip to Harbalem, which vlog is already there on YouTube itself, this bag got wet. I was so scared because the lenses started getting wet, which is inside right now. One lens had already got fungus, so I got really scared. So that is why today we have the new Vanguard Double BT. A big shout out to Cam Clinic for giving me this. So we're going to take it over here and talk more about it. So guys, this is the all new Vanguard 55 BT trolley bag which I've purchased. There were only 10 of these bad boys which were available in India, and the only place that made this possible for me was Cam Clinic. So this is a big shout out to Cam Clinic for making this purchase possible for me. I'd placed this order like a month ago. It had come, it went out of stock, but still they made this available to me. Just yesterday I purchased this. So I'm going to tell you, like always, a trolley will have their 4 wheels down, scratch proof material at the bottom, a nice leather finish in the front. But the only disadvantage to this is that if something sharp comes here, it will get a cut and it will open up. The front pocket for any accessories, we'll open this up for you. Okay. Starting off is with this net for protection. We'll open it up more. Voila. So guys, as you can see, in this compartment we can fit around 2 bodies with 6 lenses, and with some more accessories like flash or any other cables. Very hard material over here. Net for protection has you. We have these pockets over here again for SD cards, cables. I just put this for trial to see how well, if it doesn't push down over here. A 15-inch laptop can easily fit over here. I've tried my 13-inch MacBook with a case and it's fitted very smoothly over there. So that's over here. Safety locks at the side clips. Okay, this. And lastly is this pocket over here to put in any slide in stuff. I would recommend not to put your laptop over here because you don't know, if you by mistake it just rolls over, it could slip off, but still they have the velcro protection over here, so I think that's safe enough. You could put in some documents, some papers if you're carrying over here, it's much more easy. And also the last pocket which is here, you can put in any left out accessories of yours over here. Yeah guys, so that's about it on this bag. Okay, talking about the material, a very rough and tough material. Definitely this is waterproof because water cannot seep into this material, it's very hard. So it might just stay on top, but water will never sink into this bag, like inside. So yeah, thanks to Cam Clinic for giving me this bag at a very affordable price. So guys, Cam Clinic is this place where you get all your accessories, your camera equipments, also cameras at a very affordable price. I know it's 2021 right now, COVID times. Things are a little hiking up with regards to prices, but Cam Clinic is the place where you get the affordable price. Is the reason I bought this bag was, as I said, I use this bag to carry my camera. Okay, so I had bag number 1, and the second one was my gimbal case. Okay, so apparently I used to carry 2 bags like this. So now I combine these 2 bags together and I get the 55VT. This is the only reason, because I wanted to carry one bag where there's protection, where there is safety. And this, okay, this, yes, you can have a 20% guarantee that nothing can happen, but in this, there's no guarantee, guys. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put all these things into this bag and show you how it is going to turn out. So guys, finally I've sorted out the bag as per my requirements, but there are different other photographers or cinematographers that would want to customize this bag as per their needs. So 2 bodies and 4 to 6 lenses can easily fit in this, but right now I have put the gimbal in the middle. I have my 85, the 24. Nico is shooting with my Sony, so I have used Shantanu's Canon R right now. And I put in couple of accessories of the gimbal over here. So I had to customize it because these are like velcro caps which can be used anytime. So now this is quite good. I like this part for security purpose. So that's quite good what Vanguard has actually done. So let's pack this up. I'm going to keep this back actually. And let's pack this up and let's head to the shoot right now because my friend is actually waiting for us. So let's go guys.